Welcome to HCN Evening News Bulletin with me, Clinton D'Souza, and here are the top stories. Goa police have arrested all four accused persons who were involved in the last night gang war in Kalangut. All four arrested are history cheaters and have many criminal cases registered against them in the past.
All four have been arrested in the Kalangut gang war within 12 hours. The Goa police have arrested all four accused persons who were involved in the late night gang war in Kalangut yesterday. All four arrested are history cheaters and have many criminal cases registered against them in the past, says North Goa SP. The police have arrested Tarzan Parsekar, Surya Kamli, and Imran Bepari, along with an unknown person, sprayed pepper spray into the complainant's eyes and further, in their common intention, assaulted the complainant to his right leg thigh and right ankle with a chopper, thereby causing bleeding injuries. The accused number 1, that is Tarzan Parsekar, was carrying a sword. The accused number 2, Surya Kamli, assaulted the complainant on his stomach with an iron rod, and accused number 3 was inciting the other 3 accused persons to assault the complainant. The accused Tarzan Parsekar is a resident of Nagwa, who is a history cheater of Anjuna police station, was placed under arrest after being apprehended at Kalangut, whereas the other 3 accused persons, namely Suryakant Kamli as Surya, age 53, a resident of Sankerwadi, Taligaon, Imran Bepari, age 30, resident of Uvodando, Santa Cruz, and Surya Shetty, age 45, of a resident of St. Kaitan Wado, Mercedes, were located at Pedne in the wee hours of the morning and taken into custody by a special police team of Kalangut Police Station headed by PI Nolasco Raposo, comprehending of Head Constable Vinay, Head Constable Devidas, Shashank Salankar, Suresh Naik.
Kalangut police station immediately responded to that disturbance, and on the spot the staff of Kalangut police station led by PI Rapos, they apprehended one criminal by the name of Tarzan Parsekar, who is from Nagwa. Later on it was learned that there were 3 other criminals who had come here for creating this disturbance. Immediately a team under PI Rapos was dispatched to Pernem police station area, where it was found that their location could be. In late night operation, the staff apprehended all 3 criminal persons who were involved and wanted in that case. An FIR is registered under 326 IPC and also under Arms Act. Further investigation and recovery of weapons is ongoing, and we will take strict action. There is zero tolerance to these kind of criminal elements who are disturbing peace. It is understood that they have other cases also, and we will take strict legal action against all of them. I congratulate the team of Police Station Kalangut for their excellent investigation and detection. He is currently out on bail and he is involved in some heinous offences. He is a repeat offender. There are strict provisions in law for dealing with repeat offenders. It would not be right for me to disclose what we are going to do, but we have made up our minds. We have consulted PP and the PI, and we are going to take action so that such things are not tolerated ever again.
Sir, can we call it gang war because both sides are criminals?
It is not correct to call it gang war. These are criminal elements who had come here and got into some sort of a fight, and we are investigating very objectively. It is too early to say about deeper investigation. Only deeper investigation will reveal other aspects, but it is not gang war.
Over the last few months, as the price of fuel had gradually increased, today the petrol price in Goa has shot up nearly to 100.8 per litre. Locals in the state also expressed their anger over the price hike in a view of financial difficulties that imposes on them at a time when economic crises are going on, especially during this pandemic.
ये पळय आतां पेट्रोल बिट्रोल वाडला पळय हो खरें म्हणचें बहुत वायट परिणाम हो जाता. हे पेट्रोल वाडल्यानंतर ह्यो सगळ्योच वस्तू ज्यो पळय आमकां डे टू डे पासून मेवतात, भाजी जावं किचनाच्यो वस्तू, हांचो सगळ्याचो प्रायस वाडटा. थंय जावं कोहलेच लायटीच्यो कितें प्लास्टीक वो कितें करतलोय, मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंगाक पासून ताका पेट्रोल जाय पडटा. म्हणटच ह्या हाचेर सगळ्यांक वाडोन वता. म्हाका दिसना गव्हर्मेंट खंय कितें करूंक सोदता पळय तो जाता तितले गव्हर्मेंटान म्हाका दिसता पेट्रोल रेट देंवोवपाची ही खरेंच ही गरज आसा. पेट्रोल वाडलें तर सगळेंच वाडोन वता, ते भायर लोकांक काम ना आनी लोक आतां इवन जेवणाक पासून कितें हाडूंक येतलो जाल्यार 4 पावटी चिंतचें पडटा. आतां भाजीची पळय कितें हाडली पळय ती रेट दोबरादान जाल्ली आहा, दाव वाडलेली आहा, सगळें कित्याक ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन वाडलेलो आहा.
And I think the issue about the petrol rise is a very important issue that government should have addressed. This is the most important thing that government should have addressed. Common people cannot afford to put petrol in their vehicles. Common people have so many small odd jobs. People in Goa use bikes, and now they're finding it even difficult for the bikes to ride the bikes. So this is a most important issue that government needs to address during the elections.
What is the reason you think this rise?
I don't think there is a good enough reason because the world petroleum prices are not on a very high rate right now. They are down according to what they were during the Congress time, and yet the petrol prices are increasing. So it is really not fair.
आमकां खूब दूख दिसता की हेतून आमकां पेट्रोल वाडलां, आमच्या आतां गाडी आहा, गाडी हांगा चलोवपाक आमचे कडेन जायना. तेन्ना आमी आतां कशें कितें करपाचें तें म्हाका कांयच कळना. आतां गाडी आमी लोन दिवन गाडी काडल्या तर लढत पयशे फारीक कशें करचे हेच म्हाका आतां कांयच कळना. आनी हे आमकां आतां खंय हांगा भाडी मेळ्ळो, लॉकडावनान सगळी भाडी बंद जाल्या आनी काम धंदो कांय ना, बेकार उरले. आतां लोनाचे पयशे कशे भरचे हेच म्हाका कळना. तुमी आमकां कितें तरी मदत करची म्हण आमी मागता.
आमी सरकारा कडेन मागता की आमची डिझल पेट्रोल हें वाडयलां तेजेर मातशें रेट मातशें कमी हाडची. 100 रुपया प्रास जाल्या पळय, हेच्या पयलीं पेट्रोल सवाय आहले, आतां BJP येयल्या उपरांत हेंच्यांनी ते पयशे वाडयता, खंयसर कितें करता पळय तें आमकां खबर ना. हे सगळे रेट डेली वाडत आसता पेट्रोल, देंवपाचें म्हणून कांयच हें करिना. आनी हो सरकार येवन आतां कितें करता पळय तें आमकां कांयच खबर ना. कित्याक हांगा सद्या पळय लॉकडावन जाल्ल्या, भाडी ना हांगर, कांय ना. आनी सरकार म्हणटा सदांच म्हणटा आमी हें करता तें करता, कांयच करिना, कांयच ना. आतां खड्डे पडलेले आहा ते म्हणटा नोव्हेंबराच्यान म्हणटा करता म्हणल्यार ते कितें ते कांय करपाचें ना, हय तूं दवरतले हें करून आनी आमकां त्रासांक घालतले, कांय हें करपाचें ना.
तेन्ना पेट्रोल आमच्या हालीं हांव चलयता वखदां तेन्ना 4 रुपया कितें लिटर, तरी पूण म्हाका तितलो उगडास ना. म्हाका अशें दिसता 4 रुपया कितें ना. आतां हे 35 वर्सां जाल्या उपरांत इतली म्हारगाय पेट्रोलाची चडत गेली की आयज जाली 105 रुपया लिटर. तातूंत ही भाडी मारपाक आमकां रिक्षेन परवडना. आतां कशें कितें फुडें चलतलें आनी कितें तें हांव कांय नाका. हाचेर आतां आमच्या ह्या सरकारान कितें तरी उपाय काडून तें पेट्रोल देंवोवचें, इतली म्हाजी ही मागणी आहा.
पेट्रोल आतां पळय 103 रुपया जाल्या, तुमकां कितें?
103 रुपया जावन आमकां धंदो कांयच ना. आमकां पेट्रोल घालून खंयचर वचपाक हें आमकां दिसना. चलोवन गेल्यार बरें करून दिसता, कित्याक पेट्रोल इतलें वाडलां की आमकां जोडूय ना, कांय ना. तर आमकां खंय वयतलो जाल्यार कशें वचपाचें, कितें करपाचें हें आमकां कांयच समजना.
60-70 रुपया 100 रुपया पाव म्हळ्यार आमकां बायक घेवन भोंवंक हें जायना, परवडना.
सो कितें केल्लें जाय?
गव्हर्मेंटान तर टॅक्सीस दिवंक जाय, कितें तरी करूंक जाय. नाजाल्यार कॉमन मॅन सगळें ताका लागून टोमाटां सगळीं वेजिटेबल सगळें वाडत आहा.
इतलें आमकां हें परवडना, कितें काम ना, पयलीं धंदो ना, सगळें बंद आहा, कोवीड चलता आनी कामां ना, कोणाक मेळना. आनी हेतून इतलें पेट्रोल वाडलें जाल्यार कशें जातलें? आं पयलींच पोटाचें जायना आमच्या.
तुका कितें केल्लें जाय?
हें पेट्रोल आतां जाता तितलें गोवोरमेंटान मोदी सरकारान मातशें हें करून दिवंक जाय, तेन्ना गरिबांक मातसो हें जातलो हेल्प कहो.
आतां तुमचो प्रायस तुमी कितें वाडयतले टिकेट?
आमचें तिकेट बी इतल्या बेगीन वाडपाचें कांय ना. ते डायरेक्ट गोवोरमेंट RTOसून तेंचे वाडोवन ते सांगता तेन्ना वाडयता. आतां कितलीं वर्सां जालीं तिकेट वाडोवंकूच ना.
कितें केल्लें म्हण आमी आतां आमी हांगासर हे शोबय मारतात की पेट्रोल वाडलें पूण गोवोरमेंट खंय देंवयता तें, तरी आनी वाडयत वयता. आतां जालें 100 क्रॉस जालें तें आतां.
म्हाका पेट्रोलाक फरक कांय पडना. म्हाजी इजात जाली 70 आनी 5. ह्यान फुडें हांव मोटरसायकल चलोवंक जाणा, पूण आमचे भुरगे पळय चलयतात ते येवन बापाय कडेन पयशे मागता. बापूय खंयचे चलो 70 आनी 5 वर्सांचो. बापूय भुरगे काय गव्हर्मेंटाच्या कामाक ना.
कोणाच्याच कामाक ना ते घरा बसता बाबा पेट्रोलाक पैसे दी बाबा खंयचे येतलो बाबाच्या खड्ड्याचे केस बी सगळे गेले आता बाबा कडेन पैसे दिवपाक जायना तेन्ना ह्या पेट्रोलाचेर कितें तरी तुमी उपाय काडा सारकें ना जाल्यार आनीक संवसारान या जगपाचें ना गोळ दिवन मरपाचें इतले जर प्रसंग पावलो हांव बरें गव्हर्मेंट तांदूळ दिता ते कितें करता उकडून खावं पेस करून जेवं ताका आनीक 7 बसांचें सामान जाय सगळें म्हारग जाल्लें आहा पेट्रोल म्हारग जाल्लें आहा सिलिंडर घेवंक जायना बोडयो सोदूंक अशी बोडयो ना आतां सद्या पडटा पावस बोडयो घालतलो जाल्यार चूल पेटना आतां कितें करतलें आमचो मरपाचो प्रसंग येयला तेन्ना आमी आतां गोळ दिवन मरपाचें इतलें निमाणें आमचें आनी कांय ना
सरकार लोकांचो म्हणटा जाल्यार
सरकार जर लोकांचो जाल्यार सरकारान आमकां कितें तरी हेल्प करूंक जाय न्हू सरकार आमकां हेल्प करिना सरकार आमकां पळयना आमच्या वाड्यान गांवान पळय मंत्री आहा तो पासून एक दीस पासून आमच्या ह्या वटेन फुडो करिना ताका आमी पळोवंकूच ना तो येयना म्हयन्याचे म्हयने हांगा आतां वर्सां 5 वर्सां जालीं 4 फावटी पासून तो हांगासर खंयच येवन मिटींग घेवन बाबा तुमचें कितें हें आहा जाय म्हणून कोण कोणाक विचारना आतां कितें करपाचें फुडें तें गव्हर्मेंटान सांगचें आमकां.
On one side, the government is promising free water supply, but are people of Goa actually receiving it? In Anjuna, locals have raised their voice over the irregular water supply they have been receiving. It's been more than 2 months that people have not received proper water supply.
आमकां जे जो वाठार आहा वागातर अंजुना दाबोलवाडो शापोरा मागीर तो जैरवाडो बंदीरवाडो देवळवाडो इतले उदकाचो आमकां प्रॉब्लेम जाल्लो आहा आमकां प्रेशरूच ना आनी प्रेशर नासल्या कारणान लोकांक उदीक येयना लोकांक म्हणजे उदीक येना म्हणजे अशे 3 म्हयने एक म्हयने लोकांक एक थेंब सुद्दां येना आनी आमी PWडून एसिस्टंट इंजिनियर आहा तिवरेकर ताका रिटर्न दिले जाल्यार ताका काय तो सिरियसनेसच घेयना तो जेई आहा ताका सांगले जाल्यार तो आयज करया फाल्यां करया तो कितें म्हणटा हांगा osnoड्या प्रॉब्लेम जाल्लो आहा मागीर सप्लाय करता पळय जी मेन लायन आहा तिका प्रॉब्लेम आहा इल्ले दिसा हीच कागाळ सांगता आनी आमकां आहा तो म्हणजे प्रेशरूच ना अंजुना कांयसोन जे आहा प्रेशर उदकाचो प्रेशर सोडिना आनी प्रेशर नासल्या कारणान आमची जी आहा ती हिली सायट आहा म्हणजे वयर खाला अशी जमीन आसल्या कारणान उदीक सगळ्यांक उदीक येयना येता तांकां येता ना तांकां 3-4 म्हयने थेंबूच तेन्ना हांव गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन मागता की आमकां प्रेशरान उदीक सोडचें जणे करून सगळ्यांक उदीक गावता पळय एटलीस्ट खांग तरी गावता अशें तरी उदीक सोडचें म्हणून मागता
3 म्हयने जाता उदीक ना पावसाचें उदक गणपती पावसाच्या उदकान थंडी भरली आमकां पावसाचें उदीक तापोवन ना तापयलें नाल्यार उठून चड वतयलें सगळ्यांक थंडी जाल्या आमी चड जाणां ना रे दोगांकूच उदीक आमकां मेळना सगळ्यांक उदीक आहा फक्त आमच्या एकूच ना घरांत
खंय
हें बेरे
वाठार
वागाथर
कांयच उदक येना
एक समय ना
तुम्ही पंचायतीन बी कोणाक कंप्लेंट केल्ली PWD कोणाक
तो इंजिनियर येयलो पळयलो तेन्ना कितें केलें तोच गेलो मरे पिवन
हांगाचो सरपंच कितें म्हणटा
सरपंच कितें म्हणटा आनी घेता तो त्याचो तो जाणा तूं मरा नाय थंय तांकां उदी तेंचें काम जालें म्हणटा जालें.
Goan Seamen Association of India has demanded justice for the family of a local seafarer, Bijoy Rizal Sequeira, who expired on the boat on the ship, allegedly due to negligence of the shipping company, meaning company in Goa and India, master and designated person Ashok.
Goan Seamen Association of India demand justice for our seafarer's brother Bijoy Russell Sequeira, who had expired on board the ship. आयज हो आमचो दारोडी भाव जो बोटीर एक्सपायर्ड जाला, it is totally due to the negligence of the master, the shipping company and the DPA, designated person ashore. आज ही लायफ सेव करून जाताली पूण हे कंपनीन करूं ना. आज आमी हे एक्ट जे कंपनीन जावं मास्टरान जो ते DPAन जे दाखयला हे आमगे दारवडी भाव सगळे we are condemning it and we seek justice from the company. तशेंच हांव मागताय डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ शिपिंग हितून तेणी इन्क्वायरी करची आनी स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन तेणी घेवपा जाय हे कंपनीचेर जी जावन आसा वी शिप्स VGG ग्रुप मॅनिंग इन इंडिया आनी ओमन शिपिंग कंपनी ताजे ताणी स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन घेवपा जाय and they have to give a message to other seafarers also and they have to build confidence in them. आज मुनीस मेलमुटी तेणी सोडूं जायना आज एक फॅमिलीक एक तेंगडे आज तेंगे घोव ना भुरग्यां तेंगे पाय ना पूण आज कंपनी आज एक पाट मुनीस ना म्हणटरी कचऱ्या भाशेन कोताय एक जस्टीस म्हणटा तो दिनाय आज सो हे आमी गोवन सिमेन एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया आमी तेगे फॅमिली बरोबर आहाय आनी आज आमचे मदें तेगे भाव आहा एल्टन आनी तशेंच मॅरिटायम युनियन ऑफ इंडिया प्रेसिडेंट कॅप्टन एल्बर्ट डिसिल्वा.
It is sheer negligence of the master and the owners because of which a death has been occurred. A family has lost a father, children have lost a father, a wife has lost a husband. I am also a sailing master. There is a lot of pressure from the owners and the company that to take decisions. But as a master, I feel that when it comes to safety of life, you should take your call. You are there and you are authorized by law. You have the overriding authority to override any decision, anything which is given by anybody where it concerns to save life, safety of life. This authority should be used by the master, especially when you have to save life. If he had, even if the office or if the company had pressurized him, being a master, he should have seen that the condition of the seafarer is deteriorating, and when he was told to do a diversion by the shore medical advice team, then it was his responsibility to divert the ship, irrespective of whatever or whoever said anything. When you are told to divert a ship, you have to divert the ship. You cannot say that the owners or company told me not to divert. You are the man on the spot. Because tomorrow company will directly tell him, you are the man on the spot, you have the overriding authority. Why didn't you take the decision? For me, I want to pass on a message to my fellow seafarers and masters. Please do not be hesitant to take decisions which are going to affect and cause death. Please go ahead and take. We are there to take these decisions. As a master, you are responsible for your crew and for the safety of your ship. Please be bold enough and take decisions. Do not come under any pressure.
The Nationalist Students Union of India NSUI Goa unit has petitioned Goa Governor and Chancellor of Goa University seeking an inquiry into the alleged termination of Scholar Research Associate Dev Pramar, hailing from Surat, Gujarat. In their petition, the NSUI Goa president, Nausad Chaudhary, has accused his senior doctor, Nitin Sawant, both working on project that of stealing the ownership and authorship right from the paper written by Pamar.
So if you go to see his work, it's not unsatisfactory. तेणे 5 पेपर आणि एक बुक बरयला एका वर्सान अशें कोण बरोवंक शकना and this is endorsed by the other professor from the university. आणि जेन्ना तुवें टर्मिनेटेड लेटर पळयलो जाल्यार तुवें तर in the termination letter it is not written that his work is unsatisfactory. In the termination letter it is mentioned that the candidate termination is justified as candidate was mere hired worker and not student of Goa University. What is this not student of Goa University? He was hired as a research scholar. Research scholar भायलेच आसता, गोवा युनिवर्सिटी कोण नासता, थोडे आसता गोवा युनिवर्सिटीचो. सो दिस इज क्लियर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. आणि स्वतः तो नितीन सावंत एका सद्दां म्हणटा तू भायलो आप क्या करोगे, आप बाहर के हो, आपका कौन सुनेगा, रजिस्टर मुझको जानती है, वाइस चान्सलर मुझको जानती है. सो तुम्ही एकामेका वळखता म्हणून तुम्ही एका भायर उडयता. तुमच्यानी चिंतलं आसतलें की हेजो सपोर्ट कोण करचो ना म्हणून, बट NSUI गोवा ठामपणा हेजे वांगडा आसा आनी एंड पर्यंत आसतलें. आनी कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट हांगाच जाता. द टर्मिनेशन लेटर सेज दॅट ही हॅज डिक्टेड ऑथरशीप म्हणून, आनी जो टर्मिनेशन नितीन सावंतान दिला तो टर्मिनेशनान बरयता की हीज वर्क इज अनसॅटिस्फॅक्टरी. हाऊ कॅन ऑल द प्रोफेसर सपोर्ट हिम हू गिव्स द ऑथरशीप रायट टू हीज वायफ फॉर हीज पर्सनल गेन. because he is a student from Gujarat. He is doing research in Goa University and he has written 5 papers and 1 book. So he is an example for other students. आता Goa University's rank पळयात तुम्ही 96 जाला. So if you terminate a student of such level, what message you are giving around India and around world? काम करता ह्यो आनी authorship तू बायलेक दिता and the जी बायल आसा तेजी she is not part of the project. She is a teacher from other college. So clear illegality चल्ला आणि as per the UGC University Grant Commission तांच्यानी स्पष्ट रूल हा की the person who is working for the project, whose intellectual property कोणाची आसा आणि कोणे कंट्रिब्युशन दिला ताकाच ऑथरशिप रायट मेळोंक जाय. पूण हेणें आपले सेटिंगान ऑथरशिप रायट बायलेक दिला आनी जेणे ऑब्जेक्ट केला तेणे तेंच्यांनी तेका टर्मिनेट केलो.
Goa Trinamool Congress gets better and bigger in Goa. On Wednesday, 7 people have joined the Goa Trinamool Congress in Vasco. Take a look.
TMC aims to get stronger in Goa. 7 people have joined in the port town, including son of a legendary freedom fighter, Sri Gandhi Hendrick. Here's the list of the joinees. Gandhi Hendricks, M. Rafiq, Monday Jafar, Vinod Chaurasia, Chetan Goswami, Arif Memon, Chandrakant Mahandenkar.
On Wednesday, recently joined Denzil Franco in TMC along with West Bengal TMC MLA Soham Chakraborty met several students of Dempe College to discuss their issues and problems they face.
म्हाका दिसता की बरें फ्रुटफूल जाला इंटरेक्शन. कित्याक जाणा ह्या आमच्या युथाच्या मनान जायते क्वेश्चन्स येतात. दे आर डिप्रायव्ड ऑफ मेनी थिंग्स. जायते तेंचे क्वेश्चन्स तांकां आयज तेंच्यांनी आमच्या मुखार घातल्या आनी आमी तांकां एक सिंपल हितून आन्सर दिला. सो आय थिंक इट वॉज रियली फ्रुटफूल. आनी वेन इट केम टू स्पोर्ट्स, आय हॅव ऑल्सो मेन्शन टू देम how important it is to be having respect as a sports person by the government. So I think this is what interaction I have had from my side. Soham also has given a good review, good response to them. I think they must be very satisfied about it.
Sir, you came first time to Goa.
Yes.
And you are interacting with the youths. How it was?
It was super. See, I was for the since last 3 days, I was interacting with many of the persons from the cultural field, as I do represent myself from the cultural fraternity of Bengal. I'm a leading star of Bengal. So I used to mix up with the people of the cultural fraternity of Goa. Then today, me and Denzil just interacted with the students of the Dempe College, and it was great. As Denzil said that the youths have got ample of questions in their mind, because they know that they are getting deprived day by day. So what is the next option to get them out of this darkness and put them into light? So we have ensured them that Mamata Banerjee is the only son who can just bring them into light by keeping the commitments. And we have seen her that now only she is not confined to Bengal, she is the leader of the nation, and she has just threw away Modi.
First time that I was interacting with Denzil Franco and Soham Chakraborty. Soham Chakraborty is an actor, he's from TMC, and Denzil Franco has recently joined TMC. Since this was the first time that we were interacting, I think we pestered them a little. We had a lot of interaction with them. We asked a lot of questions. I think we also, we were very inquisitive in asking questions, but I think they answered all of those questions in very patiently. They were very humble, and we also asked them about why are they entering Goa, right? What are their plans as TMC, as a party which has been in Bengal? Why are they entering Goa? So I think the reason that we got is that people in Goa right now are looking for there is a void. There is a need for change. People are looking for change, and people are angry currently with the current governments. So the street fighter image of Mamata Banerjee, and since they are supporting all people from Goa, they are bringing Goa politicians, people from Goa, from humble backgrounds. I think it resonated with me. And like last May, people said that it's all about jobs, it's all about employment. I think that will be one of the major issues that can play a substantial role for them if they are entering Goa. So yeah, we enjoyed the conversation, and we're looking forward to more such conversations.
Are you happy with the plans they explained you about for students?
हय कित्याक तेंच्यांनी स्पोर्ट्साच्या बद्दल उलयल्या पळय ते एक्चुली गरज आसा. जे आतां हांवूच तर नॅशनलाक जर गर्ल्सांक तितलें येना, बट तेंच्यांनी आतां सांगलां की ते आनीक हे करपी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज, सो ते एक बरें आसा. आमी ट्रस्ट केला आतां आसा तें पळोवपाचें.
तेंच्यांनी उतर दिला ना आपल्याक.
प्रेझेंट गव्हर्मेंट बद्दल तुम्ही कितें फिडबॅक घेतले अबाउट स्पोर्ट्स हय तुमी?
म्हाका तितलें आतां म्हणजे मातशें हेतून फुडें नॅशनलाक बी वयतले म्हणून तें मातशें अशें हें कशें आसा, फाटी अशें सरता. चड स्पोर्ट्सांक हेका कोणूच चड हें घालना,
पार्शलिटीज करतात,
खूब अशें वचना केन्ना.
प्रोत्साहन ना म्हणटात
हय,
तुमी.
नाल्यार क्रिकेट आनी फुटबॉल तेच आसता एक्चुली. बाकीचे स्पोर्ट्स आतां हांव आतां खोखोन बी आसा, सो तेका म्हाका मातशें आतां फुडें नॅशनल म्हाका करूंक जाय आसलें, सो तें ना. हांवें खूब फावट विचारलेलें बी, सो तशें गरज आसा तेची म्हणून.
म्हाका दिसता की बरें फ्रुटफूल जाला इंटरेक्शन. कित्याक जाणा ह्या आमच्या युथाच्या मनान जायते क्वेश्चन्स येतात. दे आर डिप्रायव ऑफ मेनी थिंग्स. जायते तेंचे क्वेश्चन्स तांकां आयज तेंच्यांनी आमच्या मुखार घातल्या आनी आमी तांकां एक सिंपल हितून आन्सर दिला. सो आय थिंक इट वॉज रियली फ्रुटफूल. आनी वेर इट केम टू स्पोर्ट्स, आय हॅव ऑल्सो मेन्शन टू देम हाव इम्पॉर्टंट इट इज टू बी having respect as a sports person by the government. So I think this is what interaction I have had from my side. Soham also has given a good review, good response to them. I think they must be very satisfied about it.
That we have been intrigued with of Mamta Banerjee, that she is a street fighter.
Yes.
And when we were observing Bengal elections, we were very intrigued. The Khela Hobe and the Bengal elections, when she hit the football on the ground, we would love to see her in Goa playing with the football, maybe in the football tournament. It will resonate, I guess. It will resonate a lot.
Definitely, she will be here.
So why do you think Mamta Banerjee or the TMC will resonate with the people of Goa?
Because of the connectivity with the masses. She can feel the emotion of the people, not only of the Bengal but the entire nation.
And why should people resonate?
Anti-farmers, every deeds of the anti-farmers have been taken by this BJP. You can see Lakhimpur, Chedi. What have they done? Mamta Banerjee is also beside with the farmers. So these are the small things which you can collectively unite it and make it a big one. And she is really a woman of emotion, where you can't find any other leaders.
As a woman, I'm also very intrigued by her, and I think time has changed a lot when.
It was super. See, I was for the last since last 3 days, I was interacting with many of the persons from the cultural field, as I do represent myself from the cultural fraternity of Bengal. I'm a leading star of Bengal, so I used to mix up with the people of the cultural fraternity of Goa. Then today, me and Denzel just interacted with the students of the Dempi College, and it was great. As Denzel said that. The youths have got ample of questions in their mind, because they know that they are getting deprived day by day. So what is the next option to get them out of this darkness and put them into light?
Sri Kamakshi's Sausthan at Shirada finally opens the devotees during Amavasya Miss across, especially during the strict SOPs and following strict SOPs after a long break in the pandemic. Committee has requested devotees to cooperate so as to ensure smooth darshan of Kamakshi Devi.
जवळजवळ 1.5 वर्स आमचें देवूळ बंद आशिल्लें. आयच्यान आमी उमाशे खातीर देवूळ उगडें केलां, बट विथ सर्टन SOPs. म्हणजे लोकांनी गर्दी करचे न्ही, मास्क यूज करचो, सॅनिटायझर यूज करचो, गर्दी करचे न्ही आनी दर्शन घेवन वचचें. इतल्या खातीर आमी आयच्यान प्रदक्षिणां बी सगळें बंद आसा.
नवरात्रांनी आतां आमचो उत्सव सुरू जाता, पूण आमकां निमाणें कितें आसा, देवळाचो वाठार जो आसा तो ल्हान आसा आनी लोक एकदम चड बीड जायत जाल्यार आमकां तें तशें शक्य जायना आनी SOP दवरुपाक आमी शकना. त्या नदरेन लोकांनी येवन दर्शन घेवन वचचें अशें आमकां दिसता. म्हणून आमी SOP जी केल्या तातूंत 6च्या उपरांत आमी होटयो बी घेवचे ना, गाराणी होटयो बी ना 6च्या उपरांत. सकाळच्यान 6:15 मेरेन आसतलें. ताज्या उपरांत मकर, घटाची आरती, मकर बी ते कार्यक्रम आसता, किर्तन, मकर. त्या वेळार किर्तनाक आमी भायर मंडपांत बी हें घालां, कितें स्क्रीन घालां, जाका लागून लोक भायर बसून वेवस्थीत किर्तन बी आयकुपाक जातलें तांचे कडल्यान. आनी प्रदक्षिणां हें ना, म्हणजे प्रदक्षिणां बी चड वेळ उरत जाल्यार हांगा लोक उरता न्ही, म्हणजे हांगाच लोक घुटमळून चड उरूंक जायना. निमाणें देवाचें कितें आसता की देवाचें दर्शन घेतलें की मन शांत जाता. दर्शन सूख तिणें मकरान बशिल्लें तशेंच गर्भकुडींतलें दर्शन सूख लोकांनी घेवचें. तशेंच कितें कितें ऑफरिंग्स हें तें बी हाजेर चड भर दिनासतना दर्शन देवाचें घेवप हें चड म्हत्वाचें अशें म्हाका दिसता. ताका लागून शांतपणान लोकांनी दर्शन घेवचें, कसलीच चांगां हें करचें ना आनी देवीची कृपा लोकांचेर सदांच आसतली आनी ह्या महामारींतल्यान आमकां ती भायर काडटली अशें आमकां सदांच दिसता.
That's all we have in today's ACN Evening News Bulletin. Thank you for watching ACN.